my channel. It is me, Chelsea Danny. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. If you are new here, welcome. I film all types of content from hair videos, advice videos, fashion videos, vlogs, pranks. I film it all for you guys. So if you would like, hit that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a $200 Fashion Nova haul. Let me tell you guys, this video is very much long overdue because I bought these clothes while we were in quarantine. Yeah, I had these clothes for a long time and I wore some of them, of course. Now I can finally give you guys a clothing haul. So if you would like to see the things that I got from Fashion Nova, stay tuned. And I'm going to be giving you guys a lookbook at the end of this video. So after the haul, don't go nowhere because I'm giving you guys a lookbook. Let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so before we start this video, I just want to show you guys the outfit that I have on right now. It's this Nickelback graphic tee with these mom shorts. Is that what you can call them? Because I know mom jeans are like jeans, but these are like shorts. Yes. Anyways guys, so this first item is a two-piece. It is this brown nude color two-piece that just says over it on the front, and the bottoms are just regular biker shorts. This material is really soft. So soft, like literally I could sleep in this, but I probably wouldn't. I probably would wear this outfit. I don't even know where exactly I would wear this outfit. I think I'll wear it to like maybe class or the grocery store, or even if I'm just kind of like going to like a kickback or something of that matter. But yes guys, this item fits me so nicely. I got this item in a size medium. That's normally what I wear for Fashion Nova clothing, and it fits me so good, like literally so good guys. So honestly, I was very pleased with this outfit. I would rate this outfit probably a 7 out of 10, only because it's pretty basic. It's something that you would just literally just can throw on because it's a two-piece. So two-pieces are really not hard to style at all. The next item that I got from Fashion Nova are some, of course, Fashion Nova jeans. These are like these ripped up, nice baggy jeans, guys. These jeans are very much ripped up. As y'all can see, the front and the back are ripped up. And it has this huge rip on the thigh as well as the knee, and then some more rips on the other side. And then in the back, it has two more rips that's like right below your butt, thankfully, because I was not gonna be happy if it showed my bottoms. But yeah guys, I got these jeans in a size 9. A 9 is definitely what I wear for Fashion Nova. Everything else is too big or too small. So yes guys, I really love these jeans. I really needed some jeans that I could throw on with some sneakers, you know, something really loose and not too tight and uncomfortable. I really can't stand tight ass jeans, y'all, like, so I really needed to get these pairs of jeans. Mostly everything I got is in a size medium, just letting you guys know. And if you need to know my measurements, comment down below. The next item that I got is this graphic tee. It's like this pink graphic tee with this huge skull on it that's carrying, I'm guessing, sticks. I really don't know what, is this a stick? Oh, there's straws, because the shirt says the shortest straw has been pulled for you. That's what the shirt says. So yeah, just this tie-dye looking graphic tee. I really like this because I don't have any bright graphic tees. I normally stay in like black and red, and I really only have like black graphic tees, so I had to grab this, y'all. This shirt is in a size medium. But yes guys, the material of this shirt is really nice, good quality. Everybody knows that Fashion Nova has good quality clothes, but because they be so pricey. But I definitely got these clothes when Fashion Nova had a 80% off sale over quarantine. So definitely I would rate this shirt probably, I would say a 8.5 out of 10, only because it's really bright and vibrant. This next thing I got from Fashion Nova is this cute dress, and you guys probably recognize this dress from my recreating Pinterest outfits video. I'm gonna link that right up here so you can check that out. But yes guys, this dress is so cute to me. It is a little tight, I'm not even gonna lie to you, and I got a size medium. I got a size medium, but yeah, this dress is kind of tight for me, so it's not something that I would wear on a daily basis. But the reason why I got this shirt was because it is nice, cute fall color. I really think this color is so cute, and it goes with my skin complexion really, really well. So that's the reason why I got this dress. But yeah, the dress fits me nicely. It's cute and it's really, really tight, and it kind of rides up. So I don't think I'll be purchasing dresses like this in the future, but at least I got one to wear if I want to wear a dress like this. The next thing I got from Fashion Nova is this brown one piece. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, when I tried this on, I was not that happy with this, only because, I don't know, I think my body type is not meant for two pieces, but the material is really, really soft. It's very comfortable. So I think I would just wear this around the house, to be honest, or if I'm just like going to Walmart, I'll throw on some slides and wear this outfit. But in terms of like doing anything cute and special in it, not really, because it doesn't fit me the way I wanted it to fit me. Okay, I got it in a size medium. Maybe I should have got it in a size small, but I'm like 5'6", and that's kind of tall. Like, that's kind of average tall. So that's the reason why I got a medium. I didn't want to get a small, so my shit would be like coming up. Tell me what y'all think of this clothing item on me. I personally don't like it, but you know, you are your biggest critic, so of course I want to know you guys' opinion. The next thing I got from Fashion Nova is this cute, simple olive green dress. This dress is pretty straightforward. It has a slit in the back, and I really like this dress. This dress comes with like these clear straps just in case if you do want to keep the dress holding up, but the dress holds up for me without the straps, so I don't think I'll be using them, but I could use them just for any other like bra or anything, because you can hook it on and off. So that's something really neat that I thought was very convenient. But yes, guys, I really like this dress because, one, it's simple. I don't really have much dresses, but unfortunately summer is ending really, really soon, so I'm probably gonna have to save it for next summer. But you know, you never know what vacation I might end up on. So yeah, I really like this dress. The material is kind of different than I expected. I thought it was gonna be more on like the silky, more comfortable, like the two-piece that I showed you with the words over it on it. I thought it was gonna be that texture, but it's not. It's like I really can't describe the texture, but I don't know if you can see the texture I'm talking about. But yeah, this dress was really cute to me. Very simple. I like how far it reaches down to my ankles. I don't really own dresses like that, so I definitely got this cup for that reason. The next thing I got from Fashion Nova is my second favorite item I got on the list. Look at these jeans, guys. These jeans are so cute. Like, they have these little strings right here that you can either make loose or tight, and they're just really regular basic high-waisted jeans, and they're a little tiny distressed at the bottom, not too much. I actually might distress them a little bit more, because I like the distress effect that they have. But yeah, I got these jeans in a size 9. Once again, I'm a size 9. And I thought these were really, really cute. Honestly though, I kind of do not know where I would wear this. I don't know if I would wear this on a date. I probably would wear this on a date to some place where it's like a little bit more edgy. Like maybe like a car show, or I don't know. Something where you're actually gonna be seen for real, because these jeans are so cute to me. Like, they're really different in my opinion. Like, I have no jeans like this, so that's really the reason why I got these, because of this string right here. And they fit me really nicely. You know, they're not too tight, but they are pretty snug on my thighs. I ain't gonna lie to you. But yeah, I really like these, guys. Tell me what you think of these, because this is my second favorite item on the list. My first favorite was those baggy boyfriend jeans. The next item that I got from Fashion Nova is this cute tie-dye looking effect dress. Y'all, this dress is the material that I actually like, that I expected. Not like the green dress material. Maybe y'all can see the difference. I don't know. Hopefully y'all can. But yeah, this dress is a lot more stretchier. It feels good. This dress feels really good, and it fits me so nicely, guys. I love this dress so much. Underneath the dress has this little I really don't know what you call this. If somebody could comment down below and tell me, but it has this little, I don't know I'm not too big of a fan of this because it kind of rides up when I'm wearing this dress. So I might cut it. We shall see. If I can successfully cut it, then I will. If not, then I'll just leave it alone. But yeah, I really like this dress, guys. I think I would wear this like on like vacation, on a nice hot summery day where you're about to be drinking some margaritas, or like on a date. I would wear this on a date as well. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I just really like, the reason why I got this just because the color, like how it's just, I don't know, these type of colors really go with my skin tone really well. So that's the reason why I got this dress. All right, so the next item I got was another graphic tee, except this one's a little bit more cropped and it has like Chinese letters or Japanese letters. I really don't know. I'm sorry. I really don't know the difference. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but the reason why I like this shirt is because it has this little tears right here. And I bought another Fashion Nova shirt that was like this, and I loved it so much, so I had to get another one. I got this shirt in a size medium, and yeah, this shirt is really cute to me. Like, I feel like this shirt is really cute and simple, something I would wear probably like, I don't know, to like a kickback, once again, somewhere I'm gonna hang out with my friends or something like that. That's really why I got this shirt. The material of this shirt is pretty nice and good quality as well. It doesn't seem like it's gonna like shrink or anything like that, or fade or anything like that. So I definitely like Fashion Nova and their quality of clothing. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. All right, guys, so the last item is yet another two-piece set. It's like this pink mauve color, and this is a skirt with a jacket to match it. And the reason why I got this set is because I had a pink crop jacket a long time ago, but it faded and kind of got ugly to wear. So I had to get me another one, y'all. This is so cute, and this quality is like really, really good, really, really strong. And I really don't know where exactly I would wear this. I probably would wear this when I'm like either going to the grocery store or chilling out with friends at a kickback. Once again, stuff like that. I really do need cute chilling clothes, so that's the reason why I got this fit. But yeah, y'all, this fit is so cute to me. I would rate this a 9 out of 10. I'm only saying 9 because, you know, it is pretty simple and it's just like a regular two-piece set, but it's just the way it fits me is really what makes me like this two-piece set a lot. But yes, guys, this is the end of the clothing haul. So now it is time for the lookbook. I hope you guys like the clothing haul. Let me know which item was your favorite. Let me know which item was your least favorite. Just give me some feedback down below. Leave a comment. And yes, guys, I'm excited for this lookbook. Stay tuned.
Ned with another one.